Nongtrei kakot kakya GVK EMRI 108 service hapok kalama jangka Meghalaya Emergency Management and Research Institute Workers Union mentakasni kila Khnium kinong penya kibala pendu no ekajing pher hapadeng gitu kibala trei slem bat gitu kibadang shen hakani kajing sam tulop kabamenta kini kinong yalam kila keno bakani kajing le jang kinong penya kalong ban phia ekajing itali hapadeng jang kini kinong trei.
The last strike that we depend on the wisdom of the government, how it. So we have got that also in writing as per in writing we got that our salary is over it's the CTC over 19,000. So but after on the 9th and the 10th of this February when we got our salary, so we have found that there is a disparity or the difference between the salary of the members of all the staff among the 108 staff. So at this point of time we just want to inform you that we have sent the letter to different department of different departments of our state, like to ask for the clarity or the clarification on how they distribute the money which the government had provided towards us. So because after we have studied all the payslip of all the staff after getting the salary, so we found that there is a big disparity or the difference between the salary there is no more seniority. That means there are some who had in which the salary had been reached to around 8,000, but there are some who the salary only for 200, 300. So but there's a big difference among the staff also. So some of our staff also, they have went to ask the clarification from the management side, but the management, they can't give the proper. Instead, we also know that it's the policy of the of the management only to divide us among our union members, but this is an information that among us we don't have any differences, but it's just that we just need the clarification from the government side.